أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Assalamu alaikum, welcome back again. Today we are going to make a kufta, that's mincemeat ball curry. So here we get all the stuff that you need to make the mince ball curry kufta. So we ginger and garlic, coriander, the mince, the spices, and then the spices in two goes. We'll explain. Tomatoes, onions, chilies, and again garlic and ginger. So one lot of spices and the tomato and ginger will go into the mix, into the mince, and the other lot will go into the pot to make the what they call tarka, the sauce. Okay, so here you got ginger and garlic, green chili, and one onion to be crushed. Okay, so you mix the onion and the mince. Okay, add the spices and give it a good mix. Coriander. Yeah, so that's the mince made. Okay, so that's your onion in the oil. Garlic and ginger. Okay, now add your spices and then the tomatoes. Okay, you add some water and let that boil. Okay, so now you make the meatballs. Now at this stage we're going to add the kufta. Right, at this stage you need to let the meatball get firm. You don't want to stir it at this stage, so you put your lid on and it will get firm. Okay, just checking on the kufta. Right, so it's now ready, it's done. You're just gonna put some coriander on it and it's ready to eat. So that's the kufta, and let's give it a try. Bismillah. MashaAllah, that's really good and really healthy. The kufta was really good and really healthy, and as you can see, it made me 10 years younger. If you haven't subscribed, please do so, and I hope you enjoyed today's video. Till next time, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.